Hummingbirds have tongues that are grooved like the shape of a W. Hummingbirds have tiny hairs on the tips of their tongues to help them lap up nectar similar to a cat. A hummingbird's bill is longer in proportion to its body as compared to other birds. Hummingbirds have no sense of smell, but can hear better than humans. Hummingbirds are attracted to all bright colors, although red is most prominently associated with these tiny birds. Hummingbirds see in ultraviolet light and they can see further than a human. Hummingbirds have a great memory. They remember every flower and feeder they've been to, and how long it will take a flower to refill. The hummingbird brain is 4.2% of its body weight. This is the largest, in proportion, of the wild bird group. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly like a helicopter, up, down, sideways, front, and back. Hummingbirds are the second largest family of birds with over 300 species. Hummingbirds have weak feet. They mainly use them just for perching. When food is scarce and they are fatigued, hummingbirds go into a hibernation-like state, also known as torpor, to conserve energy. A hummingbird's heart beats up to 1,260 times per minute. Hummingbirds do not mate for life. A baby hummingbird is roughly the size of a penny and is unable to fly. The average lifespan of a hummingbird is 5 years, but they have been known to live for more than 10 years. Hummingbirds fly at an average of 25–30 miles per hour and are able to dive up to 50 miles per hour. Some hummingbirds will travel over 2,000 miles twice a year during their migration. Hummingbirds visit hundreds of flowers each day. Hummingbirds cannot walk. A hummingbird needs to eat about half of its body weight in sugar every day and will feed approximately 5 to 8 times in an hour.